Dear friends, lecture number 9. Let us say practice of multiple choice question based on limit. First one, limit x tends to 2 x raised to n minus 2 raised to n over x minus 2 is equal to 80. Then we want n is equal to what? Now please see here, there is no need to write to each and every step as far as multiple choice is concerned. So can I write directly for this example, n into 2 raised to n minus 1 is equal to 80? Yes. So n into 2 raised to n minus 1, 16 5s are 16 that is equal to 5 into that is equal to 5 into 2 raised to 4. Can I write it? And therefore n into 2 raised to n minus 1 is equal to 5 into 2 raised to 5 minus 1. Yes or no? So that comes out n is equal to 5. Clear? So there is no need to write this sign here. Directly we have to solve it because time saving form is there. And say there is a print mistake in question number 2. Limit x tends to 0, 2 10 square root x over x into 1 minus 10x. This is the question. See, but see, this question is printed in this way. Limit x tends to 10, 2 10 square root x over x minus 1 minus 10x. In this way it is printed. So this question is, some print mistake is there. Actual question is of this form. આ રીતે ખરેખર questions હોવો જોઈએ. હવે જુઓ, અહીં જુઓ, આપણે અહીં શું આપેલું છે? 10 સ્ક્વેર રૂટ x. તો મારે નીચે રૂટ x હોલ સ્ક્વેર જોઈએ કે ના જોઈએ? જોઈએ. તો રૂટ x હોલ સ્ક્વેર થી મલ્ટીપ્લાઇડ એન્ડ ડિવાઇડ કરી દીધું, બરોબર. ઓવર કેટલા છે? તો કે x ઇન્ટુ કેટલા છે? 1 માઇનસ 10x છે. ક્લિયર? હવે જુઓ તમે, આ કેટલા થઈ જશે? If we apply limit, then 10 square theta upon theta square comes out 1. હવે આ રૂટ x હોલ સ્ક્વેર છે શું થઈ જશે? x એ આની સાથે કેન્સલ થઈ જશે, એ 1 થઈ જશે અને આનામાં લિમિટ મૂકીએ આપણે એટલે 1 minus 10 0 0. એટલે અહીંયા કેટલા આવે? 1. આ x x કેન્સલ થઈ ગયા, 1 minus 10 0 અને 10 0 કેટલા થાય? 1. તો આનો આન્સર જે ફોર્થ પાર્ટ છે એમને આગળ કેટલા છે? 2 છે. તો અહીંયા આગળ કેટલા આપેલા છે? 2. તો અહીંયા પણ 2 આવીને ઉભા રહેશે ને, તો 2. તો આનો આન્સર કેટલો આવશે? 2. ક્લિયર? In this way, there is no need to write each and every step. Speedily we can solve it. Next one, limit x tends to 5 plus integer part function x, limit x tends to 4 minus integer part function x is equal to what? That we want to answer. See here. Here x greater than 5. Clear? So can I write 5 less than x less than what we have to write? 6. So this implies what is integer part? પૂર્ણાંક ભાઈ વિધેય કેટલો આવશે? અહીંથી 5 આવશે. અહીંયા શું છે? જુઓ, x tends to 4 minus છે એટલે x less than 4. તો ડેફિનેટલી અહીંયા શું હોવું જોઈએ? 3 હોવું જોઈએ. તો આ ઇન્ટિગ્રલ પાર્ટ કેટલા આવશે? રૂટ x is equal to 3. અને વચ્ચે જુઓ સાઇન કઈ છે? પ્લસ સાઇન છે ને. તો એટલે અહીંયા ખરેખર મલ્ટિપલ ચોઇસ માટે અહીંયા જે સાઇન જે છે આ સાઇન આન્સર લાવવા માટેથી આ સાઇન કેવી હોવી જોઈએ? માઇનસ હોવી જોઈએ. તો ધીસ ઇમ્પ્લાય ધીસ કમ્સ આઉટ 5 અને ધીસ કમ્સ આઉટ 3. ક્લિયર? 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 that comes out 2. Clear? So x greater than 5, so 5 less than x less than 6, so this comes out 5 and this comes out 3, so that is root 2. Answer is 2. Next one, limit x tends to minus 1, x raised to 20 minus 1 upon x raised to n plus 1 is equal to 20 over 2019. And condition is given n not equal to 2m, m belongs to n. એનો મતલબ એવો થાય મિત્રો કે n છે એ યુગ્મ નથી, અયુગ્મ છે, બરાબર? તો અહીંયા કયો પોર્શન કામ લાગશે આપણા માટે? વેરિયેબલ રેસ ટુ n માઇનસ કોન્સ્ટન્ટ રેસ ટુ n ઓવર વેરિયેબલ માઇનસ કોન્સ્ટન્ટ, એન્ડ variable tends to constant of this limit, that is equal to n time constant raised to n minus 1. That we have to follow. This formula we have to follow here. અહીં આપણે આ ફોર્મ્યુલાનો ઉપયોગ કરવો પડે. તો અહીંયા શું છે ભાઈ? x raised to 2020. Can I write minus 1 raised to 2020? Because even છે લખી શકાય x minus minus 1 થઈ જાય. Denominator quantityમાં x raised to n minus 1 raised to n. Why? n is not even, odd છે. તો અપ ઓવર કેટલા આવે? x માઇનસ માઇનસ 1 આવે, અને લિમિટ કઈ છે? x ટેન્સ ટુ માઇનસ 1 છે. જો x ટેન્સ ટુ a છે, તો લિમિટ લખવાની કોઈ જરૂર નથી. તો આનો આન્સર શું લખી શકાય? 2020 માઇનસ 1 રેસ ટુ 2019 લખી શકાય. યસ. અહીંયા શું લખાય? n ઇન્ટુ માઇનસ 1 રેસ ટુ n માઇનસ 1 લખાય. n નોટ ઇક્વલ ટુ 10, ઇવન નથી, ઓડ છે. તો n માઇનસ 1 શું થઈ જાય? ઇવન થઈ જાય. તો દેટ ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ આ કેટલા આવશે? માઇનસ 2020 આવશે, અને આ આવી જશે n, માઇનસ n આવશે. તો દેટ ગેટ કેન્સલ, એટલે કેટલા આવશે? 2020 over n, and this is equal to this one. So what can you say about n? n is equal to 2019. Clear? Yes. Next, limit x tends to 2 plus. Limit x tends to 2 plus x square minus 4 over magnitude of x minus 2. Now see, here we want right hand limit. See, this can be factorized in this way, x minus 2 over x plus 2. Now x tends to 2 plus, x tends to 2 plus implies x greater than 2, implies x minus 2 greater than 0. This implies magnitude of x minus 2 is equal to x minus 2. So here we can write x minus 2, that get cancelled, we get x plus 2, put the limit 2 plus 2, and that comes out 4. So answer is, this one is, see, x tends to 2 plus, so this answer is 4. Clear? Yes. But see, option is also misprint. Option, actually answer is D. In this case options are given minus 2, 2, 0, 4. So answer is 4. Clear? In next example, limit x tends to pi by 2 minus sine of pi integer part function x by 2 minus x over pi by 2 minus x. See, x tends to pi by 2 minus, that is x tends x less than pi by 2. Pi by 2 means what? 3.14 by 2. Yes, and that comes out 1 point something, which is less than 2. So here x less than, so to it comes out 1 here. So what can you say about integral part function x? That is equal to 1. So that is equal to sine of pi by 2 minus x over pi by 2 minus x. Yes or no? But see, that is equal to cos x over pi by 2 minus x, and that is equal to sine pi by 2 minus x over pi by 2 minus x, because x tends to pi by 2 minus. So ultimately what limit we want to find? Limit x tends to pi by 2 minus sine pi by 2 minus x over pi by 2 minus x. Clear? Now see, limit theta tends to 0, sine theta by theta is 1. So left hand limit is also 1, right hand limit is also 1. So answer comes out 1 here. Clear? Next one, limit x tends to 0 plus mod x over x. We know that x greater than 0 implies mod x is equal to x. Why x greater than 0? Because x tends to 0 plus. So this implies x greater than 0. This implies this one. So what you get here? X by x. Here we get x by x, and that is 1. And what is answer? 1. So answer comes out 1. Next one, limit x tends to 0, sine pi of cos square x over x square. And we know that sine of some function over some function tends to 0, then it is 1. Clear? So, here sine of pi cos square x, what we need? Over we need pi cos square x. So, multiplied and divide by pi cos square x over x square. Yes or no? Yes. Now, this one sine pi cos square x over x square. See, so pi cos square x over this one. But see, here we have to see that cos pi square x or sine theta over theta, that comes out 1, pi outside. Now, cos square x over x square, that we have to see. And that is limit x tends to let me see that sum. Actually, limit some change is there. Sine pi cos square x by x square. See, definitely sine square x is there, not cos square x. Sorry. In place of this one, cos square, there is sine square x. So here what we have to do? That is sine square x over pi into sine square x over x square. So, pi is outside, see, other than pi. Now see, this sine theta over theta, theta tends to 0, x tends to 0, so sine x tends to also 0, pi sine square x tends to 0. Of course, here pi outside is taken. What can you say about this one? This one is also 1, this one is also 1 into pi. So, answer comes out pi. Clear? Yes. Next one, limit x tends to 0, e raised to sine x over x. Yes or no? So, can I write e raised to sine x minus 1 over sine x into sine x by x? Why? Because we know that e raised to something minus 1 over something tends to 0, then it comes out 1. So, here some function is sine x, so multiplied and divided by that thing, and into 1 by x is there. So, if we apply the rule, then this comes out 1 and this one also comes out 1. So, answer is 1. Clear? Next example, limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos 2x, 3 plus cos x over x tan 4x. Clear? As far as sine and tan is concerned, here 1 minus cos is there. Can I write 2 sine square x? Yes. What we need? We need x square. So multiplied and divided by x square into 3 plus cos x as it is. We need tan 4x over 4x. So tan 4x over 4x. So also we need to multiply by 4x here. X is already here. Now see here. This comes out 1. This also comes out 1. X square is with x and x get cancelled, and this also comes out 1, and put the limit here. So here 2 into 1 x square, this one get cancelled, 3 plus cos x, 3 plus cos x tends to 0. Sorry, x tends to 0, put here, x tends to 0, cos 0 is 1 over 4. Yes or no? Because then 4x over this thing. So 2 into 4 by 4. So answer comes out 1 by 2 sine square x, 3 cos 0 is 1. So answer comes out 2. Clear? Very good. Next one. limit x tends to 2 minus left hand limit square root of 1 minus cos 2 times x minus 2 over x minus 2. Clear? Now we know that 1 minus cos 2 theta, 1 minus cos 2 times some function is given, and that is equal to 2 sine square some function. Clear? So 1 minus cos 2 of x minus 2 is equal to 2 sine square x minus 2, and that is in square root over x minus 2. Root 2 outside. What can you say about square root of sine square mod x by 2? That is magnitude of sine x minus 2. Because if we remove square root, then we get plus or minus sign. So that is magnitude sign is there. Now x tends to, see, x tends to 2 minus implies x minus 2 less than 0. So x minus 2 less than 0, and sine is odd function, sine ayugma viધેય છે. So sine of magnitude of x minus 2 is equal to minus of sine x minus 2. Clear? Over x minus 2 is there, over x minus 2 is there, x tends to 2 minus is given to us. So here we can write limit x minus 2 tends to 0 minus with minus sign outside, sine of x minus 2 over x minus 2, and that comes out 1. So this limit is 1, but minus sign is outside, so answer is minus 1. Clear? Answer is, no, root 2 is there. Root 2 is there. So root 2 into this thing is there. So answer is minus root 2. Clear? Yes. So next example, limit x tends to 0 log e base 1 plus 2x over x, that is given to us. Can I write that is equal to 1 by x into log e base 1 plus 2x from this one? So can I write that is equal to log e base 1 plus 2x raised to 1 by x? So that is equal to, see here, log e base into bracket 1 plus 2x raised to, we need 1 by 2x, so whole square is there. Because we have a standard form. Limit some function tends to 0, 1 plus some function raised to 1 by some function, that comes out small e. This is the standard form. So here is in that way, 1 plus 2x is there, so we need 1 by 2x. See, 1 plus 2x is there, we need 1 by 2x, 1 by x already here, multiplied and divided by 2, so it comes out 2 square. Now that is equal to log e. According to this formula, this comes out e whole square. That is log e base e square. That is 2 log e base e, and that comes out 2. In next sum, limit x tends to 5 minus x minus integer part function x. Now we know that x tends to 5 minus implies x less than 5. Definitely that should be a 4, because we know that n less than or equal to x less than n plus 1, then this integral part function x is equal to n. તો આ પૂર્ણાંક ભાગ વિધેય is equal to n થાય. તો આ અને આ બે ક્રમિક પૂર્ણાંકો હોય, there should be successive integers. And this implies integer part function x is equal to 4. So this comes out x minus 4, limit x tends to 5, so 5 minus 4, and that comes out 1. So answer is 1 for this example. Clear? Next one, limit x tends to pi by 6 root 3 10x minus 1 over x minus pi by 6. 1 minute, please see here. Let us recall that standard forms all. Limit x tends to a, sin x minus sin a. Of course, is an example, but its answer is sin a. Sorry, cos a. Its answer is cos a. Limit x tends to a, cos x minus cos a over x minus a. Answer is minus sin a. This type of sum we already seen. Limit x tends to a, 10x minus 10a over x minus a is equal to sec square a. Clear? Then limit x tends to a, cot x minus cot a over x minus a is equal to minus cos x square a. Limit x tends to a, sec x minus sec a over x minus a is equal to sec a into tan a. Limit x tends to a, cosec x minus cosec a over x minus a. Answer is minus cosec a cot a. According to that standard form, all this according to this general forms, first of all, what we need to take root 3 common. So limit x tends to pi by 6, 10x minus 1 upon root 3 over x minus pi by 6. That is equal to 10x minus 10 pi by 6. Yes or no? Over, that is equal to, there is no need to write limit. Root 3, can I write here 10x minus 10 pi by 6, because 10 pi by 6 comes out 1 upon root 3. That is x over minus x minus pi by 6. And what is the limit of this one? 10x minus 10a over x minus a, x tends to a limit, and that is equal to, we know that sec square a. So use this form, root 3 into sec square pi by 6. Root 3, what is sec pi by 6? Yes, root 2 whole square. That comes out, answer comes out, see, 1 minute, sec pi by 6 is 2 by root 3 whole square. So root 3 into 4 by 3. So that comes out 4 by root 3. Clear? Answer is 4 by root 3. Next one, limit x tends to minus 1, x raised to 1 by 5, 1 by 3, x raised to 1 by 3 plus 1, x raised to 1 by 5 plus 1. So can I write here x raised to 1 by 3 minus minus raised to 1 by 3? Yes. Over we need x minus 1. Denominator quantity x raised to 1 by 5 minus minus 1 raised to 1 by 5 over x minus minus 1. Clear? That is according to that standard form, 1 by 3 minus 1 raised to 1 by 3 minus 1, 1 by 5 into minus 1 raised to 1 by 5 minus 1. So 5 by 3 minus 1 raised to minus 2 by 3 over minus 1 raised to minus 3 by 4. So that is equal to 5 by 3 minus 1 raised to 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4. So 5 by 3 into minus 1 raised to, or 1 by 1 by 5 minus 1. So that not 3 by 4, but that is minus 4 by 5. Or we can write in this way also, 5 by 3 minus 1 raised to 4 by 5 over minus 1 raised to 2 by 3. That is minus 1 raised to whole raised to 4 raised to 1 by 5. That comes out 1. 1 raised to 1 by 5, that is 1. Here minus 1 whole square raised to 1 by 3. So that is 1 raised to 1 by 3, and that is 1. So ultimately this comes out 5 by 3. This is the answer. See, for multiple choice question, there is no need to write each and every step. If possible, then minimize it. Limit x tends to 0. Next one. Sine of x square minus 4x over x. Clear? Now we know that sine some function over some function, then that is 1. So here can I write sine of x into x minus 4 over x is there, so multiplied and divided by x minus 4. Clear? Now see, now that is sine of x square minus 4x over x square minus 4x. X tends to 0, so x square minus 4x is also tends to 0, so this comes out 1. Into give this limit x tends to 0. So into limit x tends to 0, x minus 4, 0 minus 4, so minus 4. So answer comes out minus 4. Clear? Next one. Now see, next example. Limit x tends to 0, 2 raised to sine x minus 1 over x. Once again, a raised to something minus 1 over something, something tends to 0, that comes out log a base e. So here 2 raised to sine x minus 1 over we need sine x into sine x by x. Yes or no? Yeah. So this one is log 2 base e, and this one comes out 1. So what is answer? Answer is log 2 base e. Yes or no? Yes. Now see, next example. Limit x tends to 0, sin x degree over x. Now see, we know that how to convert degree measure to radian measure. This is the formula, pi x over 180. So here radian measure means what? Is a real number, and this one is the degree measure. Degree measure is converted in terms of radian measure because of then that degree converted into real form. This is reason why this type of conversion is there. So we need to convert this degree measure into radian measure. So this can be written as sin pi x over 180. What we need? Also we need pi x over 180. X is there, so multiplied and divided by pi by 180. So this comes out 1 into pi by 180. So answer comes out pi by 180. Clear? Now next sum. Limit x tends to 1, but see there is no 11, but x tends to 1. X raised to 5 minus 1 over x minus 1 is equal to limit x tends to k, x cube minus k cube over x square minus k square. Now see, that is given to us. Here of course it is given of this form, x raised to 5 minus 1 raised to 5 over x minus 1. Can I write x cube minus k cube over x minus k over x square minus k square over x minus k? Here. Now according to standard form, 5 into 1 raised to 5 minus 1 is equal to 3 into k raised to 3 minus 1, that is k square. 2 into k raised to 2 minus 1, that is 2k. So 5 is equal to 3k by 2. So k is equal to 10 by 3. K is equal to 10 by 3. Yes or no? Yes. Next one is important thing. Limit x tends to minus 27 minus cube root of x, integer part of cube root of x. Dear friends, see, here x less than x tends to minus 27 raised to minus. This one is which limit? Left hand limit. So x is less than minus 27. Here we want cube root of x. Take cube root of x. Cube root of x is equal to minus 3. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. Clear? So definitely there should be minus 8. So its cube root of x is equal to, that comes out minus 2. Minus 2, 2, minus 3. On real line see 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So minus 2, 2. So here if we take here minus 2, so that should be a minus 4. So here not 8 but minus 64. So that comes out 64. 4 into 4 into 4. Clear? So here it is minus 4. Clear? See, this we have to arrange. On real line we know that a less than b. So that is in between minus 4 to 3. Here minus 3 is there. So definitely there should be a minus 4. Because these two are successive integers. આ બંને ક્રમાનુસાર અંકો હોવા જોઈએ, પૂર્ણાંક સંખ્યાઓ હોવી જોઈએ. So this implies that cube root of x is comes out minus 4. So you can see the answer is there is a minus 4. Now let us take one practice for this type of. If we wish to find limit x tends to minus 27 plus of cube root of x, let us make a practice of this type of sum. See, x tends to minus 27 plus means x greater than minus 27. So minus 27 less than x. Take cube root of x. Here you get minus 3. So there should be a minus 8. Then it comes out minus 2. Clear? So what can you say about integer part function of x is equal to minus 3? So its answer is minus 3. Clear? Now same way, let us consider limit x tends to 4 plus integer part x plus integer part minus x is equal to what? Let us see. Now see, x tends to 4 plus means x greater than 4. So 4 less than x less than, there should be 5. So what can you say about this integer part x? Integer part function x, that is 4. So here this one is 4. Now see, x tends to 4 plus implies x greater than 4, implies minus x less than minus 4. So minus x less than minus 4, so there should be a minus 3. Yes or no? Yes. So this integer part x is equal to minus 3. So 4 minus 3, so it comes out 1. In this way we can calculate it. Let us take one more practice. Limit x tends to minus 8 plus cube root of x. Let us take one more practice. See, x tends to minus 8 plus means what? X greater than minus 8. So minus 8 less than x. So cube root of x. So here is minus 2. Less than, there should be a minus 3. Less than minus 27. So we get it up after taking cube root, we get this thing minus. So what can you say about this one is equal to minus 2. So answer is here minus 2. Yes or no? Yes. In this way we can make a practice. Next one, let us see one more example. Slightly easy. Limit x tends to 0. 1 plus x raised to 20 minus 1 over x. See, Once again, see that pattern, variable raised to n minus constant raised to n over variable minus constant is equal to n time constant raised to n minus 1 and variable tends to constant. This form we have to see. In this case of this one, we have to give one variable raised to n. Rest of part we have to arrange. Then we can apply this form in this way. So let us arrange according to that way. In our case, what is variable? Here variable is 1 plus x. 1 plus x raised to 20, 20 minus 1 raised to 20, 20. We can write it, yes. Add and subtract minus 1. Yes. Now see, x tends to 0. So 1 plus x tends to 1. Limit. So now see, variable raised to n minus constant raised to n over variable minus constant. Variable tends to constant. So that is equal to 20, 20, 1 raised to 20, 20 minus 1. So 20, 20, 1 raised to 2019. And that comes out 20, 20. So answer is 20, 20 for this example. Next one, limit h tends to 0. 5 plus h raised to 3 minus 5 cube over h. Now see, once again, according to that part, variable raised to n minus constant raised to n. 5 plus h cube minus 5 cube. Clear? What we need? 5 plus h minus 5 and h tends to 0. So 5 plus h also tends to 5. So variable raised to n minus constant raised to n, 3 times variable raised to 3 minus 1. So 3 into 5 square. So this comes out 25, 3 this comes out 75. Yes or no? Yes. Now next one, limit x tends to 0 plus x over x plus mod x. Let me see. See, that is equal to x tends to 0 plus, so mod x is greater than 0, so mod x over x is equal to x, so x plus x. So that comes out x by 2x, that get cancelled, we get 1 by 2. And limit of constant term is constant, so it is equal to 1 by 2. That can be written as 0.5 also. So integer part for that is options are not given. Directly we want to answer in integral form. So that comes out 0.5. Half is equal to 0.5. Clear? Next one, limit x tends to 0 cos 7x minus cos 5x over x square. We know that what is the formula? Cos minus cos, c minus 2ss. So whenever we want to apply c minus c or any one of s plus or minus s, c plus or minus c, then write greater angle first, then apply that forms. So here greater angle first already here. Can I write minus 2 sine 6x into sine 2x over x square? Yes or no? Yes. 7 plus 5, 12 by 2, that is 6. 7 minus 5, 2x by x, 1, 2 means x. Yes or no? Yes. Now minus 2 outside. We need sine 6x over x square is given. So give separately x to both one as in product form. Here we need 6. So multiplied and divided by 6. So that comes out minus 12. This one is 1. This one is 1. 1 into 1. So answer is minus 12. Clear? Answer comes out minus 12. Next one, limit x tends to 0 minus magnitude of 2 minus x plus magnitude of x. What is that is equal to? Now see, limit x tends to 0 minus implies mod x is equal to minus x. Yes or no? So this one is limit x tends to 0 minus magnitude of 2 minus x minus x. So magnitude of 2 minus 2x is there. So 2 outside. Magnitude of 1 minus x is there. Now x less than 0, so minus x greater than 0, so 1 minus x greater than 1, so that is greater than 0. So this magnitude comes out 2 into 1 minus x, x tends to 0, put here, that comes out 2. So answer of this example is 2. We have to apply rules also of modulus function as well as integral part function also. Then and only then we can see that type of sums. This one is the slightly practice of multiple choice questions. Now let us take one more example of this pattern. See, let us consider limit h tends to 0, 5 plus 2h raised to minus 1, 5 raised to minus 1 over h. Let us see. Okay, let us write option also. Minus 2 by 25, 0, 5, 5 by 2. These are the options. Now, see, what is given to us here? This one is variable raised to n. So 5 plus 2s raised to minus 1 minus 5 raised to minus 1. Over we need 2 first of all, so multiplied and divided by 2. Clear? In next step, 2 into 5 plus 2h raised to minus 1 minus 5 raised to minus 1. What we need? 5 plus 2h minus 5. So add and subtract this one. H tends to 0. So 5 plus 2h tends to 5. Of course, in that standard form, variable raised to n, constant raised to n over variable minus constant, and variable tends to constant. So that is 2 into minus 1 raised to 5 raised to minus 1 minus 1. So minus 2 over 5 square. So that is minus 2 over 25. Minus 2 over 25. Where is given? So option is A. A is its answer. Next one. See. Let us see sum f of x is equal to x square 3 minus x less than 0, 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2, x greater than 2. And we want limit x tends to 0 minus of f of x is equal to what? 1, 0, 2 minus 1. Now see, observe here, x tends to 0 minus implies x less than 0. X less than 0, then what is fx? Is x. Fx is equal to x. So limit x tends to 0 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus x, and that comes out 0. So answer is 0. Suppose we wish to find, for same example, limit x tends to 2 plus, then what? F of x. Let us see. That is equal to limit x tends to 2 plus x greater than 2. See, x tends to 2 plus implies x greater than 2. Whenever x greater than 2, then what is fx? F of x is equal to 3 minus x. So find out limit x tends to 2 plus fx is equal to limit x tends to 2 plus 3 minus x. So 3 minus 2, that comes out 1. They can ask anyone. Suppose they wish to find x tends to 2 minus f of x, then what? That is equal to limit x tends to 2 minus x less tends to 2 minus means what? X less than 2, and x less than or equal to 2, then fx is equal to x square. So here x square, so that comes out 2 square, and that is the answer 4. Suppose they are asking to find out x greater than 0. X greater than 0, it means 0 plus fx, that is equal to what? Limit x tends to 0 plus x greater than 0. X greater than or equal to 0, then that is x square. So here also x square, and that is 0. That means whenever inequality is given to us, here inequality is given to us, at that time we have to take left hand limit and right hand limit. Now let us see one more sum is a mixing of trigonometric form as well as algebraic form. ત્રિકોણમિતીય અને સાદું બહુપદીય વિધેયનું mixing sin 3x is equal to something is given to us. How to solve this one? See, some of example we need to solve, whole example we need to solve, then and then only we can guess the answer or we can calculate the answer. Here, see, whenever we know that root something plus or minus something or root something plus or minus root something are given to us, then we have to rationalize. So first of all here we need to rationalize. Directly we can write x plus 8 minus 8 over sin 3x into 1 over root x plus 8 plus 2 root 2, put as it is. Now here what you get? X over sin 3x. Can I write 1 over sin 3x over x multiplied and divided by 3? So that comes into this one as it is. So that is equal to 1 by 3, 1 over 1, because sin theta by theta is 1, into 1 over limit of this one, x tends to 0. So root 8 plus 2 root 2, 2 root 2. So that is 1 by 3. What is 8? Root 8, 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2. So 1 by 3 into 1 upon 4 root 2. That comes out 1 by 12 root 2. Or 1 minute, we can write root 12 into 24 also. Root 2, rationalizing denominator quantity. આમ પણ આન્સર આપી શકે ને આમ પણ આપી શકે. એ તો આપણે ચોઈસ ઉપરથી જોવાનું હોય. મલ્ટિપલ ચોઈસની અંદર કઈ ચોઈસ આપેલી છે એના ઉપર ડિપેન્ડન્ટ છે. ક્લિયર? યસ. નેક્સ્ટ વન. Let us see. Limit x tends to 0 sin a plus x minus plus sin a minus x minus 2 sin a over x sin x. See, they can take any combination. અહીંયા combination આપેલું છે, શું કરશું? Now see here, sin plus sin, 2 sin cos, a plus a minus x by 2, 2a by 2, that is sin a. Next one, sin into cos, s plus s is equal to 2cs, sorry. So that is 2 cos a into a plus x minus x by 2, 2x by 2 into sin x minus 2 sin a. So here we have to see s plus s means 2sc. 1 minute. 2 sin a into cos x over x sin x. Now take minus 2 sin a common. 1 minute. Why? Then we get 1 minus cos x over x sin x. Leave this one as it is. Now see this part. So here we can write sin square x over x sin x into 1 over 1 plus cos x. After rationalizing, 1 sin get cancelled. This is equal to sin x by x. That comes out 1 over 1 plus cos x. Put the limit. that is equal to 1 into 1 plus 1. That comes out 1 by 2. Minus 2 sin already here. So answer is minus 2 sin A into 1 by 2. 2 get cancelled. Minus sin A is the answer. Clear? So what is the answer for this sum? Minus sin A is the answer of this question. Clear? In next lecture we are going to see more things.